Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study NCERT effectively for UPSC. First, thoroughly understand the UPSC syllabus and previous year's questions to identify key areas. Then, begin your preparation with NCERT textbooks, focusing on classes 6 through 12 for subjects like history, geography, and economics. Read each chapter at least 2 to 3 times to grasp the fundamental concepts and ensure better retention of information. This foundational approach builds a strong base for advanced studies. To maximize your learning, engage in active reading. During your initial read, highlight key facts, definitions, and important events. After understanding the content, create concise notes in your own words. This process helps in better comprehension and makes revision much faster. Consider using mind maps or flowcharts for complex topics like historical timelines or economic cycles. These visual aids simplify information and improve recall during exams. Consistent revision is crucial for success. Regularly go through your self-made notes and highlighted sections to reinforce your memory. After completing a topic, solve multiple-choice questions from previous UPSC papers to test your understanding and identify weak areas. Additionally, practice writing answers to subjective questions. This develops your analytical skills and improves your ability to articulate points clearly and concisely, which is vital for the main examination. For an advanced approach, integrate your NCERT knowledge with more comprehensive reference books, building upon the foundational concepts. Engage in group discussions with fellow aspirants to gain diverse perspectives and clarify doubts. This collaborative learning can significantly enhance your understanding. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your study environment. A comfortable and organized space can truly boost your productivity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.